Hi friends, welcome to SNH Incredibles. In this video today we're going to make a notepad in Scratch which has all the basic features. You can store how much data you want. Like example, we can add notes and type it right over there. Like I'll type hello world. Yeah, so you get it out there. You can type as many as you want by clicking on the add note, like okay, and welcome. Yeah, so you can type how much ever you want, and after that you can remove the notes out there, and you can also clear all the notes. So in this video we're going to make this code and we're going to modify also it a little bit. So let's get into the video. Okay friends, for making this project, I'll just open a new tab in Chrome, and then I'll go to the Scratch official website, scratch.meet.mtu. And if you don't know how to like log in an account and become a Scratcher, it'll be there in my previous video. The link is given in the description box below. So I'll just create an project right over there. It's going to be quick. Yeah, so firstly we don't need this cat, so we're going to delete it. So we just go to paint a sprite at the first, and I'll just decrease it. Yeah, so I can just make a box for the button. Yeah, that's become too big. We can decrease the size, I guess, a little more. Yes, this will do. And then you can fill it with whatever color you want. I'm going with some greenish feel. And after that go to text and you can write add notes, and you can just fill it up with some other color. I'm going with the black, and the style I'm going is, you can go whatever you want. I'm going with a curly one. You can just place it in the middle. Yeah, so that's good out there. So go to code, and next right click on the sprite and you have to duplicate it 2 times. Yeah, and you can place it down at the down. Yeah, and so now we want a notepad. So I'm just going to create a list which stores like the notepad. So sorry, it is a variable, so make a list. I can call it notes. Yeah, and then you can just decrease and increase the size. Yeah, so we're going to just decrease and increase the size like this. You can go and opt with whatever model you want, and just I'm going to increase this. So next, firstly this add note. Yeah, I'm going to make this as add, and I'm going to take the second one and I'm going to change it to remove the notes. Yeah, yeah, remove notes, and you can decrease the size also. Yeah, guess this will do. And then for the third one you're going to even like you want to clear the notes. Yeah, I guess curly is fine for all the three. So friends, now you've got all the arrangements. We'll modify the code later if you want. So the first thing is we'll go for the add notes. uh, so when flag clicked, firstly we're going to create an animation like thing, like forever, and if then sensing category if touching mouse pointer. Okay, I want to take an if then if else block. Yeah, so if else and sensing category touching mouse pointer. Then we want to set size to 85. Yeah, actually, yeah, I'll set size. Yeah, you can set the size to 85 out there. But I told you like we're going to modify the code a little. So when we click on the green flag, you can see that like the user like they're able to imagine that the button is pressed. So that's good. And now let's just duplicate it into the next sprite and even to the third one. Yeah. So we got the things out there, and now we have only one thing left. So go to the add sprite node and go to the events category. When the sprite is clicked, we want to add a note. So firstly, we want to ask. Yeah, you want to ask like type here. Actually, that is not seen, so you can do anything. Yeah, type here, and then you can go to the variables. So we're gonna add. You're going to add thing to notes. So we're going to add answer to notes because we want like I'll just show you. Yeah. So it asks me type here. So this is the answer that we are giving. So example, I give hello world, and I want to add the note to the answer, like as the answer given by us. So it gets added. And now let's go for the remove and clear note. So this is working, and we have successfully completed the add notes block. So now let's go to the now let's go to the remove note. So I'm just going to change the sprite's name, and then I can go to the events category. When this sprite is clicked, then my variables going to delete one of the nodes. So actually this one it deletes the first it gives the first node which is there. Actually that's not good. Like example, I can show you a demo like yeah, okay, okay, and then we can go to pl something I'm typing. So it removes the first note which is not good for us. We want to delete the last note out there. Okay, so for that we are going to take this length of notes and place it in the middle. So now it only deletes the second node out there. Okay friends, so for the last one, this is going to be the most easiest one. So yeah, when this sprite is clicked, you can you can delete all of the nodes. Sorry. And then you can yeah, this is the basic model. So we can just test it out once. Yeah, so it asks you type here. Okay, and one more thing I notice is we can increase the level of the blocks to be seen. Yep. So yeah, add notes. Yeah, we can add. Okay, and add notes. We can add hello world. Yeah. So then we can. Okay, let me add one more. Yeah. So yeah, lol. So we can remove the notes out there and we can clear everything. So very good. This is working out. So next, what we can do? Yeah, we can. This is the basic model. If you liked it, you can. You can. It's over actually. You can just rename the sprite as clear. Yeah, and after that, we can add some backdrops for looking more attractive or something. So go to the stage and go to the backdrops. You can add a plain color out there, like yeah, or you can search a backdrop like this. You can go ahead and search a backdrop if you want. So I'll just paint a normal color out there. So backdrop one, I'm going to fill it. Go to fill it, I guess, with a little blue color. Yeah, around the color is 47 or something, and the saturation I'll make it somewhere to yeah, a little light. 43 will do. And don't forget to convert to bitmap, and that's it done. So now we have him in the backdrop. Okay, So don't need to write any code for the backdrop. So now this is actually ready. The major model of our notepad is ready. Now go ahead and name your file. So I'm going to name it SNH notepad. Yeah, so SNH notepad out there, and I can even, yeah, that's the thing out there. And don't forget to save your project. And actually, this is the notepad we did today. It was very easy. Yeah, so over here you can do anything and how much ever you want, or you can even change your styles if you want. Like, uh, yeah, actually this is good, but you can even change your styles like this and like this too. You're going to do it over here, and yeah, going to add a note out there. Yeah, so that's good too. But you'll have this covered. It's your wish. So this is the project SNH Notepad, and thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, click a big thumbs up, and please like, share, and subscribe to SNH Incredibles. Thank you, friends. Meet you later.